Hi, welcome to another video from MS Office Guru. We hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Freeze panes. When you have long lists of data and you want to scroll down, you lose the headings at the top. In order to keep those headings, we can use a feature called Freeze panes. Freeze panes is found in the View tab. If the headings that you have are in the top row of the sheet, without highlighting anything, we can directly go to Freeze panes and click on Freeze Top Row. This automatically freezes the top row. When you scroll, you can see the headings are still there. When we click on Unfreeze, it will unfreeze the same row and it goes back to its original. It's not always the case that the first row is the one that you want to freeze. Let us go to the second example where the headings are on a different row. When I scroll, I lose those headings as well. If this is the case and they are not on the first row, then highlight the row, the one that is below the one you want to freeze. Then go up to Freeze panes and click on Freeze panes. Currently I selected row number 11. When I click on Freeze panes, it freezes until row 10. Now if you see, when I scroll, it is moving everything from row 11. Similarly, we can do the same with the columns. Let's say we want to keep the column date. When I scroll, the column disappears. Now we select the column A and go to Freeze panes, freeze first column. That will freeze the first column. Similarly, we can unfreeze. Similar to the rows, if the column that we want to freeze is on a different column than column A, we can do the same by clicking on the column that is next to the ones that we want to freeze. Now let us click on the main column. In the View tab, we go to Freeze panes. We click on Freeze panes. Now when I scroll to the right, you can see that date and place columns are intact but others are moving. We can unfreeze similar manner again. If you select just one cell, it will freeze everything above and everything to the left of that particular cell. If I select H11 and if I go and freeze this cell, it will freeze all the rows up to row 10 and all the columns up column G. Go to Freeze panes and select the first option. Now if I scroll up and down, it has frozen all the rows up to 10. If I move it right and left, you can see it has frozen until column G. You go back up to Freeze panes to unfreeze and click on Unfreeze panes. Thank you for watching the video. Please share this knowledge with your friends, family, and colleagues. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.